Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be cleaning Project Daily and I'll be showing you exactly what I've been doing wrong all this time, the last 2 years of washing my car. Also, the reason I'm washing it so soon, it's only been 2 days since I polished it, is that colonite in the power lock, it actually raises the oils after a couple days, and then you get this little bit of haze. It's going to be really hard for you guys to see, but there's a little bit of haze on the hood, and it looks like, almost like I didn't wipe off the wax, but all that is the oils coming out from the paint. So what you do is you just wash it off and then you're good to go. Also, we'll be seeing how much it beads the water in soap. I'm really excited for that because I've never used this combination before. Now we got everything prepped, so we got our 2 buckets of water and our soap gun for the pressure washer, and the pressure washer is all ready. And here's where I've messed up the whole time I've ever washed my car. So when I was reading about the 2 bucket method when I first started, I for some reason thought you should use 2 different mitts or wash mitts. And I did. So I used one in a clean water and I used one in my soapy water. So what I did is I went down with the soapy water, then I took the clean one and then washed it with the clean one, which now in my mind makes 0 sense at all. So what you're really supposed to do is you're supposed to take your soapy one with a little bit of soap, put the soap directly on the mitt and then use it or whatever, right? And then you wash the car, and then once you're done you put it in your clean water, rinse it around, and then get soap back on it and then wash your car again. So all the clean water is doing is cleaning off your mitt after you've done a panel. That's the whole thing it's been doing. So I've been messing up this whole time, the whole, through 2 or 3 years we've been doing this on this channel, and even before then. So today we're gonna wash it correctly. So first we're gonna start with the foam gun, foam everything completely up. Then we're gonna take the soap, do a panel, put it in the clean off the mitt, and then put it back in the soap, and then do another panel. That is how you correctly wash your car. So let's get to it. So to start off, we're going to use the foam gun. So I've added 4 ounces of Adam's polish in here and water. Then we just pull the trigger, and out comes the foam. So let's do the whole car. Look at it already bead. That's done, we're going to take our 2 buckets and do it properly. So, as I said, get soap on your wash mitt. Do a panel in vertical, so you take as little scratches as possible. There we go. And then dump it in your clean, rub it against the grit guard on the bottom, and then take your mitt, put it in the soapy water, get soap back on it, and then do another panel or another half panel as I'm doing the hood. And then once you've soaked every part of your car, take your pressure washer and spray down all the soap that's on it, and then get it into the garage or in some shade so you can dry it off, and you don't have to worry about it drying like I am right now. But let's just take a moment to appreciate how the water is beating on that hood. Look at that. It is amazing. And same with the windshield. If I hit it with some water, it just pours right off. Look at that. So that is why you wax and polish your car and put some sealant on it, because it makes washing your car 100 times easier. And then once you have all the soap washed off, roll it in some shade so you can dry it off, because right now, as you can see, it's already evaporating. Just to make sure I don't scratch anything, I like to use my quick detailer as a drying aid. So you just spray it. If it sprays, there you go. Spray it and then just wipe it off with a rag. So there you go. From what I can tell, that is the perfect way to clean your car. There's no other way that is any better than that. Unless you guys know of something, and then let me know down below, because that would be awesome. Anyways, when I was cleaning my car, I noticed this tire looks really sad and way too low than it's supposed to be. So I was looking around, I'm like, what is that? And there's a nail stuck right there. So it looks like I get to remove the tire today and take it to the tire shop, I guess, because it is so low and I don't know how deep that nail goes. And I'm kind of scared. Hopefully it didn't hit the rim itself, but at least it didn't go through the sidewall, because if it does go through your sidewall on your tire, that tire is done for. You can't use it anymore because they can't patch it, and then therefore you have to go buy a new tire. And these were not cheap tires, so at least we have that to thank. So I'm gonna grab this, get this tire off. There we go, we got the tire off, and there's the nail, and it looks to be kind of a small one, so I think we might do okay with patching it. Anyways, Project Daily is now super clean, and now the oil is off, and now I know how to wash my car. But until tomorrow, where we hopefully have a repaired tire, peace out, and stay humble.